Welcome to BikeZone, your go-to source for all things motorcycles. In today's video, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Harley Davidson Sportster S, a bike that's generating a lot of excitement in the motorcycle community. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer to the Harley Davidson lineup, the Sportster S promises to deliver something special. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into its features, design, performance, and more. So let's start the engine and get right into it. Design and aesthetic. One of the first things you'll notice about the 2025 Sportster S is its bold and aggressive design. Harley Davidson has always been known for its distinctive style, and the Sportster S continues this tradition while pushing the envelope. The bike features a sleek, muscular profile that stands out from the crowd. The frame is compact, with a minimalistic approach that enhances its overall agility and performance. The 2025 Sportster S keeps the signature round headlamp and teardrop tank, but it introduces a more angular and sharp-edged look that complements the bike's modern performance upgrades. The color options are impressive as well, with vivid hues and matte finishes giving the bike a premium, customized feel. Engine and performance. The 2025 Harley Davidson Sportster S packs a serious punch. It's powered by the 1250cc Revolution Max engine, an innovative liquid-cooled V-twin that delivers a healthy dose of power. This engine is one of Harley's most advanced, and for 2025, it has been fine-tuned to offer even more refinement and efficiency. The Revolution Max engine offers up to 121 horsepower and 94 lb-ft of torque, providing an exhilarating ride whether you're cruising down the highway or taking on twisty back roads. The power delivery is smooth yet forceful, giving the Sportster S a sense of responsiveness and excitement that's hard to match in its class. It's a departure from the traditional air-cooled engines that Harley is known for, but it allows for better performance, efficiency, and overall longevity. Technology upgrades. In terms of technology, the 2025 Sportster S brings Harley Davidson into the digital age while still retaining that classic charm. The bike features a high-resolution 4-inch TFT display that provides all the essential riding information, including speed, fuel level, and trip details. This is a major upgrade from the traditional analog gauges and allows riders to interact with the bike in new ways. One of the standout features is the addition of ride modes. The Sportster S comes equipped with multiple ride modes that adjust throttle response, traction control, and power delivery based on the rider's preference and riding conditions. You can choose between sport, road, rain, and custom modes, which is perfect for tackling different types of terrain or weather conditions. For example, the sport mode delivers maximum power for those high-performance moments, while the rain mode optimizes traction and stability when the weather turns. Additionally, the 2025 model comes with Bluetooth connectivity, allowing riders to sync their smartphones with the bike system. This feature enables riders to receive notifications, control music, and use navigation, all from the convenience of their handlebar controls. Suspension and handling. When it comes to suspension and handling, Harley Davidson has put a lot of thought into making the 2025 Sportster S an enjoyable bike to ride, no matter the conditions. The Sportster S is equipped with fully adjustable front and rear suspension, courtesy of premium brands like Showa. The suspension has been tuned for a firm but smooth ride, providing exceptional feedback and stability on both smooth highways and rougher roads. With a longer wheelbase and low center of gravity, the 2025 Sportster S offers remarkable handling. Whether you're carving through tight corners or cruising on straight roads, this bike feels poised and balanced. The Michelin Scorcher tires, designed specifically for the Sportster S, provide excellent grip, further enhancing the bike's agility and handling capabilities. On top of that, the Sportster S features upgraded braking systems with large disc brakes at the front and rear. This provides superior stopping power and confidence when you need it most. The combination of these advanced suspension and braking features ensures a smooth, controlled ride, giving you complete confidence behind the handlebars. The legacy of the Harley Davidson Sportster series. The Harley Davidson Sportster series has been a cornerstone of the brand's history, offering a perfect blend of style, power, and versatility. First introduced in 1957, the Sportster quickly became a favorite for riders who wanted a bike that was both agile and powerful, all while maintaining that signature Harley Davidson charm. Over the years, the Sportster evolved, with newer models incorporating advanced technology and performance improvements. In 2021, Harley Davidson released the Sportster S, and now in 2025, we're seeing an even more refined version of this iconic bike. The Sportster S has always been about combining a modern, powerful engine with classic Harley Davidson style, and the 2025 model only takes that legacy further. Comfort and ergonomics. Harley Davidson is known for creating motorcycles that prioritize comfort, and the 2025 Sportster S is no different. The seat is ergonomically designed to support long rides, with a slim profile that accommodates a range of body types. It's designed to offer just the right amount of cushioning, ensuring that you stay comfortable during both short and long journeys. The foot controls are also adjustable, giving riders the option to customize the placement for better comfort. This is particularly beneficial for taller riders or those who prefer a more aggressive riding position. Combined with the low seat height and forward-set handlebars, the Sportster S delivers a riding experience that is both comfortable and intuitive. Pricing and availability. Now, let's talk about the price. As with most Harley Davidson bikes, the 2025 Sportster S comes with a premium price tag. It is expected to retail around $15,000 to $16,000, depending on the market and any optional accessories. While it may be on the higher end for a middleweight cruiser, the Sportster S offers great value for money considering its performance, design, and technological features. As for availability, the 2025 Harley Davidson Sportster S is expected to hit showrooms sometime in early 2025. If you're interested in getting your hands on one, it's always a good idea to check with your local Harley Davidson dealership for availability and any potential wait lists. Conclusion. The 2025 Harley Davidson Sportster S is a stunning example of modern motorcycle engineering, blending raw power, cutting-edge technology, and classic Harley Davidson design. With its refined engine, top-tier suspension, and tech upgrades, it's clear that Harley is staying ahead of the curve while staying true to its roots. Whether you're a dedicated Harley fan or new to the brand, the Sportster S is a bike that's hard to ignore. So, if you're in the market for a motorcycle that combines performance, comfort, and style in a single package, the 2025 Sportster S is definitely worth considering. Make sure to stay tuned to BikeZone for more updates and in-depth reviews on the latest motorcycles. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos on all things motorcycles. See you on the road.